of explosions have been heard near the Fukushima nuclear plant in Japan. Now, details at this point in time still remain unclear, but several workers are reportedly injured at this point in time. Now, the Japanese government has expanded the evacuation area around the plant because of a radiation leak. Now, the radius of evacuation has been increased from 3 to 10 kilometers. And then the radiation rose to an unusually high level in and near Fukushima #1 nuclear plant following the massive earthquake that took place yesterday. The amount of radiation reached around 1,000 times the normal level, raising fears of a nuclear catastrophe as well. Now, the major worry was that the nuclear radiation would leak into the environment if the power plant was not kept cool. But clearly, this is the big news that we are tracking this hour. Let's also tell you that the coolant system at the Fukushima power plant was disabled after the quake that took place yesterday, but a prompt delivery of coolants by a US Air Force plane averted that disaster. But at this point in time, the news that we are getting is that the Fukushima power plant, there has been a nuclear disaster that has taken place. Evacuation processes are going on at this point in time, but details are still awaited. In fact, let's also tell you that the Japanese government officials say that there was a shaking and a trail of white smoke at the power plant in the area devastated by the massive earthquake. For more on the story, let's go across to our correspondent Rishabh Gulati. Rishabh, it's over to you. What more details can you give us?
Yeah, very, very worrying news coming, Srishti, from the Fukushima plant #1, the #1 reactor at the Fukushima plant. Remember, there are 5 reactors over there. What the experts over there are saying that they've detected an explosion and white smoke coming from the reactor. The experts have also detected cesium particles. Cesium is a radioactive particle that is produced as part of a nuclear chain reaction. That's the first particle to watch out for in the event of a meltdown. So the fears rising that a meltdown in reactor #1 in the Fukushima nuclear power plant may indeed have begun. Remember, yesterday after the earthquake, the cooling systems of the Fukushima #1 reactor shut down. The plant had an 8-hour backup power supply. That backup power supply ran out a few hours ago. Despite more coolant that has been pumped in, it seems that at least the residents in at least the 3 mine area have been evacuated as they detect those radioactive particles.